Hey, good day, everybody. This is Ralph, and today I thought I'd shoot a little video about when can you expect to get paid in affiliate marketing. The question here is, when will I get my first affiliate marketing paycheck? This is a common question that comes up in affiliate marketing, and the answer depends on several factors. The number one factor it depends on is really how often your opportunity pays out. There's a variety of different affiliate marketing programs out there, and they have a variety of different times that they will pay out, a number of different payout schedules that they all operate according to. Some will pay weekly. Most that I've been involved with do pay weekly. There are a few that will even pay daily. So, which is kind of nice because when you're in affiliate marketing, it helps your cash flow a lot. If you are in an opportunity that pays daily, you make a sale, you get them the money that day, and that is really handy. But most do pay weekly, and for me, that works out too. My wife and I, we have our own home based business. I do affiliate marketing. My company pays out weekly, so that's nice. We get paid every Thursday, providing we have the commissions there for payout. And we also run our own home based business, providing coaching services. And we got that set up to where we get paid daily. And that is super neat. So that helps the cash flow. If we make a sale in our own private business, we get paid daily. If I make a sale with my affiliate marketing company, I get paid weekly. So both of those options really work great for me. There are other opportunities out there, though, that only pay out on monthly basis, and there are even some that will pay out as slow as quarterly. And you've really got to do your research before you sign up for an affiliate marketing program to see how they pay out and when they pay out. A lot of people assume that if I make a sale, I get paid that day. Not always true. True in some cases, but a lot of companies you may have to wait for a month, and there are some that you may have to wait 3 months. And I've even seen one company that I used to be involved in, and they paid every 6 months, twice a year, whether you needed the money or not. And I mean, I really didn't put a whole lot of time in on that program. But yeah, be careful. When you get involved in an affiliate marketing company, read the fine print and find out how often they pay out, and then see if that's a payout schedule that you can work with. The second factor is whether or not they have a minimum payout, and most do. Most all of the companies that I know of have a minimum payout, and you don't get paid until you have made the sales that will result in a minimum number of dollars being in your affiliate account. Now, most opportunities that I've been involved with in the past, it fluctuates somewhere $20 to $100. I've seen other opportunities that pay out with $50 minimum. It all depends. So again, one thing to look out for is not only how often they will pay you, but what is the minimum amount of money you need to have in your affiliate account before they will pay you. The next thing that you need to look out for is a lot of companies will have a money back guarantee. And so when you get involved in a company that has a money back guarantee, that's great for your customers. But it can kind of suck for you because you won't get paid until that time period has lapsed. If you're working with a company that has a 7-day money back guarantee, the company is not going to pay you your commissions until that 7-day period is over. And I was in a company that had a 7-day money back guarantee, and they also had another 7-day window where you could still request your money back, even though the 7-day money back guarantee was over. So for us affiliates, that meant that we had to wait 21 days to get paid after each sale, because you had to wait for that first, that first 7-day window for the money back guarantee, then the second 7-day window when they could still request their money back, and in most cases get it, even though the guarantee period had worn out, and then another 7 days for that money to percolate through your affiliate account and build up and then get transferred to your checking account, to your bank account. So yeah, in that case, I thought when I first got started with it, it would be, after the 7-day period was up, then a few more days to process the payment, I'd get paid within 2 weeks. No, actually, in actual practice, you were getting paid every 21 days for every sale, as long as it was a $20 minimum commission that you were earning. So another thing to look out for. Another thing to look out for, in addition to those three, is how do they pay? How does your company pay? Uh, Most companies that do business in the United States, in the West, they'll give you a few different options. They will pay you by, bank deposit, bank transfer, wire transfer, things like that. If they pay directly to your bank account, then make sure that you've got your banking information straight with them as soon as possible. In my company that I'm in now, they're pretty good. Once you make your first sale, get your first commission, then they will send you an email to ask for your banking information. And then within 1 day or 2 days, they'll have all that information processed and the money will be in your bank account. So pretty neat. But don't let that lapse. Other companies that I've been involved with, they want you to get your banking information in, and they'll send you a reminder email. And if you miss that email, you may be earning a few commissions, but not be getting paid because you forgot to send in your banking information. And other companies, they'll want your banking information, your tax information. And if all that information is not in, you won't get paid until the company has all the information that they're requesting. So yeah, if your opportunity pays by bank, make sure that you do send in your banking information to them as soon as possible. Now, some companies won't let you do that right away. They'll make you wait until you earn your first commission, and then they'll ask you for your banking information, but then you want to make sure you get it in that day if you're really serious about getting paid, in a short order. Another way companies will pay, some of them anyway, not all, but there are some that will pay by crypto. And that is a pretty neat option. My company that I'm in, we pay primarily through bank transfer, direct deposit, things like that. We also have a crypto option because we do business globally. Practically, we do business in practically every country on the face of the earth, with maybe a couple of exceptions. But some of those countries, we can't pay by bank. We can't pay by direct deposit because the banking situation in those countries are not really stable or favorable to businesses headquartered in the United States. So for companies like that, we have a crypto option. And we also have a crypto option for a lot of other locations too, especially affiliates in the United States. So yeah, if you're in our company, say for example, and you want to get paid by crypto, you could probably get that done. If you lived in the United States, or if you live in a country that we can't do banking with because of regulations and restrictions and things like that. So if you do business with a company that pays your commissions out in crypto, again, make sure they've got all your information. They may ask for that information when it's time to pay out your first commission, or they may want you to do that ahead of time. Check with the company, find out what their payment policies are and all that, and get your information in as soon as you can. And that way you'll get your money as soon as you can. The other option that a lot of people will, well, maybe not a lot, but that some people will opt out for is the good old fashioned paper check. And there are some companies, some people I know of, some entrepreneurs that are in opportunities that pay only by PayPal or by paper check. And my one mentor, he got blacklisted by PayPal because of various reasons. There was a time when PayPal was not very happy with affiliate marketers, and they blacklisted some of the affiliates. And my mentor was one of those people. He can't get a PayPal account to save his life. So he asked for payment by paper check. And in his case, he has to wait a month to get that paycheck. There's no daily payment on that. There's no weekly payment on it. It's mostly monthly payment schedules when you ask for a paper check. So if you don't have a bank account for whatever reason, if you're dealing with a company that pays by PayPal or Vimo or some other payment processor that you can't get access to and you want to get paid by paper check, you can do that with most companies out there that I know of anyway, but you're going to have to wait to get that first paycheck. Maybe a month plus another week to get your money. Some companies that I know of will pay first of the month, send out a paper check the first business day of every month. And if you miss that window, you got to wait another few weeks, maybe another month to get that paycheck into your into your mailbox. So paper check. Some people like it. Personally, I don't. I like getting paid electronically, but that is one option that is out there, and it is one of the slowest options that is out there. Now, my final tip, if you're wondering about making money through affiliate marketing and you're trying to build up maybe more than one affiliate marketing offer, which can be a nice leverage point for you to be building up two different affiliate offers that complement one another. One thing to look out for, one thing to be mindful of, is to choose two companies with payment schedules that are slightly different that will work to your benefit. Like, say, maybe your primary business that you love, that you're getting a lot of value out of, only pays weekly. Then for your second affiliate marketing offer, try to find something that you also love that pays daily. Because having that daily paycheck available to you when you make sales is very nice. Helps your cash flow get flowing faster, and it keeps it flowing. So if you're in one affiliate marketing opportunity that pays out weekly and you want to get started in another affiliate marketing offer, try to find something that pays daily. And if you can't find that, then maybe you're already in something that pays weekly. Find something that maybe is high ticket but pays monthly. And it all really depends on you. Some people are into some high ticket offers that will pay monthly and quarterly only. And if that's your situation, then for your next affiliate marketing offer, try to find something that pays weekly or daily. But if you're in multiple affiliate marketing offers, try to see if you can mix up the payment schedule a little bit to work in your favor. So that way, if you're in, say, like 3 different affiliate marketing offers and they all pay monthly or quarterly, then that means you're going to have to be waiting 30 days to 90 days to getting your first paycheck from each company. I like the option of being paid out, weekly, which is great. Most people are used to being paid weekly. And I also like the daily payment option. So again, if you're wanting to get started in more than one affiliate marketing company, look at the payment schedules and see if you can find a couple different companies that are doing similar enough things that it's not radically different. Like, say, for example, you're in healthcare and then diesel fuel additives, not much of a relationship between those two markets. But if you're into a couple different markets, a couple different companies where they overlap very nicely, like tools for affiliate marketers, say, having like autoresponders available from one company and sales funnels and funnel builders, from another, that would complement very nicely. So, yeah, just kind of look at what options are available in your part of the world and what speaks to you. But yeah, that final tip, if you can find a couple different offers, if you want to promote two at the same time or get more than two or three businesses going, which you can do over time. I wouldn't do it all at once, but you can do it over time. I would build up one or two in the beginning and then add to it after my first one or two were already established. But make sure that the payment schedules are complementing you. It's nice to get that weekly paycheck. It's even nicer to get that daily paycheck. And if you're in something that pays monthly or quarterly, if it's something that's really good and something that you love, that can be nice too. But you do have to get the financial discipline to where, you're not hungry for money in between getting those paychecks. So, that's all for this video. If you would like to see what I do by way of affiliate marketing, I promote an affiliate marketing school that pays 80% recurring commissions. So you make one sale, you get paid that first month, plus you get paid month after month after month for as long as your customer remains a paying customer. And we pay out on a weekly schedule. We pay out every Thursday. And yes, once you make your first sale, you will get an email from us requesting your banking information, how you want to get paid, all those details. And so, yeah, get your information in on that. And then after that, as long as you got money in your account that's eligible to be paid out, you can be getting paid every week, every Thursday. So, yeah, if you want to check it out, go to my affiliate link down below, which will be in the program description down below. And that affiliate link is ralphshomebiz.com. And that's it. I almost said slash. I've got a few different businesses built up with this company. And yeah, one domain is ralphshomebiz.com. Another one is .com/ tarot, things like that. Got a lot of different businesses going with this company. A lot of great business tools that they have, and a lot of great training. And the fact that they pay 80% recurring commissions, to me, is just fantastic. Make two sales, you're already in profit, and you're looking at good weekly paychecks. So anyway, that's all for this video. Thanks for dropping by. Ralph signing out. We'll catch you in future updates. And if you got suggestions for things you would like me to talk about in the future, let me know in the comments down below. What would you like to hear about in the area of home-based business and affiliate marketing? And if I feel I have enough knowledge to where I can shoot a video on that topic, I will. So, Ralph signing out. Have a great day. Talk later. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.